Transparent taxation, honoring the honest. The Honorable Prime Minister has announced various measures for income taxpayers to be taxpayer friendly and to have transparency in income tax proceedings, assessment proceedings, appeal proceedings, and other many administrative issues on 13th August 2020. So, in his address, the Prime Minister has recognized respect to the taxpayers for their contribution to the government exchequer. This is the first time the taxpayer has been recognized and rewarded, respected by the government. Earlier also, in budget speeches, the finance ministers has expressed gratitude to the taxpayers for their contribution to the government exchequer out of their hard-earned money. In this process, the Prime Minister has imposed trust on the information provided by the taxpayer. Earlier, there was distrust information provided by the taxpayers. Now, the government is trusting the taxpayer for the information provided by them as true and fair in computation of taxable income and collection of right tax from the right taxpayer. Extending the trust on the taxpayers, the central government has reduced the selection of scrutiny cases from 1% to 0.25%. It is less than now very much nominal percentage for selection of cases out of the returns filed. Means out of 100 returns filed, out of 1000 returns filed, maybe we can say 2 or 3 returns may be filed, selected for scrutiny. And this is one more great trust on the taxpayers imposed by the government. In the same way, the selection also, it is not at the discretion of any of the authority. It is scrutiny selection is totally based on computer system based. Means there are various parameters based on which the computer system will select the cases for scrutiny. Means that is impartiality, discretion, non-discretion, uniformity in procedure of selection of cases has been extended to the taxpayers. Also, every notice issued by the Income Tax Department and communication is the DIN number, that is document identification number, that is issued by the Central Bureau of Direct Taxes. Means every notice or a communication to the taxpayer will come with document identification number only. If there is no direct document identification number or DIN number to the notice or communication or order, that will be treated as null and void ab initio. Means it is not at all acceptable to the department. Also, the central government has given respect to the privacy of the taxpayers. In that process, the survey proceedings are to be initiated only by the Director General of Investigation or Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax (TDS) to recover the TDS amounts only. Means earlier the administrative authorities who are having powers to initiate survey proceedings has been withdrawn. Now only Director General Investigation Wing and TDS Principal Chief Commissioner only can authorize the survey proceedings with the special purpose, not with the special purpose of just like it will be nothing but trusting the taxpayer. Also, the Central Income Tax Department is issuing refunds as early as possible without hassle through the CPC Central Processing Center. Means there is no physical interaction or paper interaction, paper communication, everything is digital only, and all the refunds are issued hassle-free from the CPC Bangalore. Also, the Income Tax Department is providing the information to the taxpayer in form number 26 AS. What are the details available with the department with regarding the income earned by the taxpayer, tax deduction made by the taxpayer, notices issued, proceedings pending, all these details are available in the form number 26 AS, and what are the information to be provided by the taxpayer also mentioned in that process. Means very much transparency has come to the taxpayer about the information to be provided by him for completing the assessment proceedings. Also, the department is respecting the voluntary compliance of the taxpayer in computation of taxable income, payment of tax, and filing returns of income in the process of compliance. Now, because of this transparency in taxation and many proceedings, many transactions carried on through bank, digital format, GST transactions are making very common, means because of GST, bank transactions, digital transactions, third-party confirmations, the tax evasion avenues also reduced. Means taxpayer can be more transparent and disclose his details without fear and without any suspicion that the department will take action. If means disclose is better than undisclosing. Also, in the process of widening of tax bases, to widen the tax base net, the income tax department is using artificial intelligence, information from various other agencies to widen the tax base who are not yet come under the income tax net. They have to be covered. Means collecting right tax from right person is the primary responsibility, primary duty of the income tax department, and respecting the honest taxpayer and collecting the right tax from the tax evader is make a more important duty of the income tax department.